Hey y'all, welcome back to Hands-On Hacks. I got my ducky here. So, Foger brand vape, the right way to refill. I've seen some other videos and they ain't right. Spend a little bit of time. Things you'll need. I got these little picks right here from Harbor Freight. These little guys here. I'll show you why. And this guy, this little heat gun, okay? First, we take the battery off. Second, give this thing a little wiggle, okay? Just like this. Battery pops off. Now, takes a little bit of extra time. However, it's worth every little minute. Take this guy right here, put it right here. See that? And then we're gonna warm this up. Same thing with the other side, okay? You can do this multiple times too with the same device. Give this thing a little wiggle. Pull it up. Here comes then pop this thing out. Now what I do, I save all these guys. I've refilled this multiple times. And save your batteries. This, take a little hook, pull it out. Don't damage it, just give it a little pull, okay? Put this back on properly, pretty self-explanatory. All right, here's the trick. Do not put it in that hole. You want to put it on the outside, okay? Nicotine juice, flavor, whatever you want to do. Done. Now, you gotta put this thing back in so the battery connections to here, here, line up, you see, like yonder. Connections right here. Put this bad boy back in. Make sure they line up. They do. Push back in nice and tight. Careful not to damage those. Seal it up. A little push. It usually seals up perfectly on its own. Then, put this guy back on. You can save all your spare parts too. Thanks for watching Hands On Hacks.